Hello, 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 hello. Welcome once again to the Credit Repair Show with your host, the credit doctor, Angelo McCutcheon, coming to you with another quick video, not on the credit repair process, but today we're going to be talking about business credit. What is business credit? So as you come into the room, Facebook Live, I'm on Instagram. So if you see me looking two different ways, it's because I'm talking to my Instagram people and I'm talking to you guys here on Facebook. Now, if you want to come into the StreamYard part of Facebook, and this is to all my Facebook people, click on the link that I posted on my page. It will allow you to, when you make a comment, it will be seen in the studio where I'm at right now. Otherwise, it'll only be seen on my Facebook Live page. So click on the link, give them permission that if you have any questions or comments, it'll allow you to post it where I'm at right now, and I can see it in the comments section. But today we're going to be talking about business credit. Now, I've been doing credit repair for over 10 years, and the last 4 or 5 years with the clients that I've had, I've noticed that a lot of them either started a business or have a business, right? It could be anything. They could have a trucking business. They might be doing insurance, have an insurance business. They might be selling water. I don't know, but they have a business selling clothes, doing hair, whatever. People have had business. And when I talk to them about, do you know anything about business credit? 9 out of 10 times they tell me, absolutely not. Never even heard of it. Don't know what it is. Now, at one time, I didn't know what business credit was. But once I learned, it was a game changer on how I was able to continue to build my business and getting things in the name of my business that I was not personally responsible for. So business credit allows you to build up credit, allows you to get finance in the name of your business that you personally will not be responsible for if your business was to go under. Now, the way normally when banks want to lend money to business owners, whether they're small business or a medium-sized business company or a large business company, what they always do is they tend to ask for a personal guarantee. They'll say, yeah, we'll give you the loan, but you have to personally sign that if your business can't pay it back, you will be responsible for paying it back. And most people who have a business say, sure, because they want the loan. You know, they want to build up their business, whatever it takes to get. Now, some people, because of their credit, can't guarantee a personal loan because they have bad credit. And so what they have to do is probably get a cosigner or something like that. But there is another way, people, that you can actually build up your credit, your business credit, because business credit and your personal credit are two different things and they operate differently. Personal credit, of course, we know is based on your personal usage, right? Credit cards, that's in your name. Mortgages, that's in your name. Car, autos, that's in your name. Anything like that that's in your name that you use for personal use is one type of credit, you know, that, and most people are familiar with that. They're familiar with their FICO score. They're familiar with their Vantage score. They know that the scores for your personal credit goes from, with FICO, goes from 350 to 850. 350 to 850, and the higher you are or the closer you are to that 850, the more credit you can get personally. Well, business credit operates differently. Business credit operates differently. Business credit goes from 0 to 100. 0 to 100. And the closer you are to that 100, the better your business can get a loan or get finances. And that's the key, because most people who build up a business or who have a business and they want to expand or grow their business know that they're going to need finances to get it done. And then there are some people who don't really push their business because they know they can't get the finance, because number one, they're looking at their own personal credit and knowing that they will be denied if they try to apply, and they went by their credit. But what if you can apply for something for your business and they do not look at your personal credit? What if they only looked at your business credit, and based on the strength of your business credit, they says, yes, we'll loan you 50,000, we'll loan you 100,000, we'll loan you 500,000. Because you see, business credit is going to, and finances is going to be based on three things: cash, if you have cash; if you have collateral, right? Cash, collateral, or I can't even think of the other one. Cash, collateral. Okay, well, now my mind just went blank, but I'll come back to it, right? But it's based on that information, right? That they'll look at that. They'll look at how's your cash flow going. They'll look at what kind of collateral do you have? Do you own a home? Do you own some cars? Or credit? There you go. That's the third one. Thank you. Credit. Credit is the other thing that they're going to look at. So it's collateral, it's cash, and it's credit. The three C's of business credit: collateral, cash, or credit. Most people don't have the cash. A lot of people don't have collateral. But what they can, and then some of them don't even have the credit, but they can build up business credit. That's the most important thing. If you learn how to build business credit, which isn't hard, which you can, if you really wanted to do it, you can actually start getting your credit up in about 90 days. In about 90 days, you can have good business credit. Now, there is a process to building up business credit. There is a process to doing that. To have your business name, right? You got to have your EIN. You got to have a website. You got to have a business website, a business office, right? A business email address. You got to have your Duns and Bradstreet number. You got to be listed at 411. You got to have a monitoring service. And then you got to build vendor accounts. Now, I said a lot, but basically, if you take that step by step and use that to build your credit, your business credit, guess what? You'll start getting credit cards, merchant accounts, credit cards, store accounts. You'll start getting finance. You'll have people who want to finance your business, right? And that's the key, because most people want to grow their business. Most people want to really grow their business. And the question is, how do I do that? Again, most people have never heard of business credit. And again, business credit is the idea of you building credit in the name of your business so that you can get finances that will not be attached to you personally. Your business will be the only one responsible for paying it back. So if your business went under, God forbid, but if your business went under, they would not go after you for the money that they lent your business. See, that's the thing. And so these companies, right, they don't tell you about business credit. They don't mention that to you. The Home Depots, the Lowe's, the Office Staples, and Amazon, and all these companies, right, that you might apply for, the banks, Wells Fargo, and PNC Bank, and Valley National, and B&T Bank, and Chase Bank. They don't talk to you, or they don't mention to you anything about business credit. So when you go in for a loan, the only thing they want to do is, hey, are you willing to guarantee this loan? Are you willing to guarantee this loan? But if you're able to say, well, no, I don't want to guarantee it. I just want you to look at my business credit. And on the strength of my business credit, I want you to give me the loan. And guess what happens when you say that? They will look at your business loan or your business credit. And if they see that is strong, you have a score of 70 or higher, the chances are, if other qualifying factors are involved as well, but all those things are in place, and they see that your business credit is 70, 80, 90, guess what? They will give you the loan just on the strength of your business. Now, people have been asking me, can I, and I did a couple of videos years ago on how to build business credit. Um, and people have been asking me, can you help me build business credit? Can you tell me more about business credit? And so over the last few years, I was literally looking for something that I can put together to offer you guys who have a business, whether you have a small business or a big business or a medium-sized business, something I was looking to so I can offer you guys that would help you build your business. And guess what, guys and gals? I actually have that program for you now. It took a lot of time putting it together, and putting the pieces together and looking into different things, but I was able to accomplish that. And as I posted on yesterday, we are now in a position to offer you business credit and finance. What that means is when you sign up for our program, when you buy into our program, put it that way, when you buy into our program, you will get a wealth of information on how to build your business credit. We have a support team that will call you and that you can call every day, or if you get stuck, but they will actually walk you through how to build business credit. They will help you in terms of giving you the information you need in order to get your business name going, in order to get your EIN, to register your business with your state. They will guide you how to do that. Now, you would have to pay for that, but they're going to guide you. It's a awesome support team that I have, that they will call you, and you have access to call them as well and say, hey, I'm stuck on the Dun and Bradstreet. I'm stuck on how to get these vendor accounts. Guess what? We have so many vendor accounts to help build up your business. And again, when you're dealing with business credit, right, it's all about establishing your business just like a legitimate business. Basically, let me put it to you like this. Walmart, let's use Walmart because everybody's familiar with Walmart. Walmart built and still does all their business based on their business credit. Walmart are not getting funding and getting money just because they're Walmart. They're getting it because when they started out, they learned the idea of business credit. And they were able to build up their business credit so that they were able to get finances. And guess what? They get loans and finances to buy the products to put in their store. And then when you buy the products, they take some of that money and pay back the loan. And basically, they don't use the money out of their pocket. That's what business credit will do for you. Allow you to use other people's money to build up your business. And then as people invest in your business or buy products or services from your business, you take that money, part of that money, to pay off your lenders. So you're really never taking money out of your pocket. So this is what we teach you how to do. We'll walk you through your business name, walk you through getting your EIN, setting up your office. Now, again, you got to set your business up like it's a legitimate company. So you can't be using, when it comes to email addresses, you can't use AOL, you can't use Gmail, you can't use Yahoo, because any one of those names will get you denied lending. Again, you have to have a business name, email address, For example, I have a lot of email addresses, but the one that I use for my business is that email address is Angelo at thefaithfulcreditgroup.com. So you want to do a .com as an email, a .net or a .org, something like that. Just don't use for your business email address a Gmail account, a Yahoo account, a AOL account. Stay away from those because they will get you denied. Right. Another thing that when you're building your business that people are not aware of is that when you establish your business and you have an address that you put down on your filing, your entity filing with your state, that address now has to be across all of your paperwork. So you may have an address that says 2980 North Broad Street in Paterson, New Jersey. That may be on your filing paper. But then if you build a website and you put a different address on there and you establish and get some vendor credit and have a different address on there, that will get you denied funding because you have to show consistency across the board. You have to show consistency across the board. And so, speaking to all my business owners out there, whether you own a brick and mortar store, right? Whether you have a physical building or whether you sell out of your home, you just sell on the internet. If you establish yourself as a true business, you can get funding to grow that business. But the first thing, if you're not already set up, the first thing is you need to start working on building business credit. And that's what we offer you guys, an opportunity to build business credit, but that's not it. We also offer finances, right? So we have everything in one shop, everything in one shop, helping you build your business credit. And then you basically walk right next door and we have over 100 finance companies that are ready and willing to lend small businesses money or capital for them to grow their business. Hundreds of them. And we just make sure that when we go through that process with you, we just, qualify you for the best finance company for you to work with based on the size of your company or where you plan to go. They also will look at cash, collateral, and credit. So this is an awesome opportunity for you guys who are looking to really build your business. Instead of going to 5, 6, 7 different places, you now can come to one shop, the Faithful Credit Group, and establish business credit. We have a program. I tell you that if you buy into it, it will help you. And I'm going to be doing a whole lot of videos talking about different things when it comes to building business credit. I'm going to talk to you about vendor accounts you need to start out with, talk to you more about setting it up, right? And if you're basically in a place where your business is kind of set up and you just need finances, well, then hit us up because we have, like I said, over 100, or maybe even more finance companies willing to lend small businesses capital to help them grow their business. Now, again, we have a support system. We have a support team. So it's just not me. I have a whole support team that will call you, that you can call the support center, and they will guide you through the process. Once you become part or purchase our product so that you can start learning how to build business credit, they will be there to help you. When I say help you every step of the way, they will be there to help you every step of the way. So if you own a business, if you plan on starting a business, if you have a business already that's been growing, you had it for years, but you have not, or you do not know about business credit, being able to get credit in the name of your business that you personally will not be responsible for, you need to hook up with me. I'm going to post my website, but you can always reach out to me. You can always email me for more information. I will give you that to those of you listening to me, watching and listening to me on Instagram. Just DM me, Facebook. All you have to do is message me for more information, and we'll get you over to where you need to be to get more information, because I'm only just touching on it, but it's based and built on you growing your business. Again, think about it. You guys who have business and you guys who plan on having a business. Now, if you're not, then this doesn't pertain to you. But those of you who plan on starting a business, those who have a business, think about what would be better: going to a finance company or a bank and saying, hey, I would like a loan in the name of my business for $50,000. And they say, okay, do you want to personally guarantee it? And you say, no, I want you to look at my business credit. See, that's something that when they hear that, they be, oh, this person knows a little bit something. And they go and look at your business credit because you built it up the right way. There's a way you have to build it up. And they see that you have a score of 70 or 80 or 90. Guess what? That 50,000 and other factors are involved. Let me keep saying that. Right. But that itself will make them say, sure, we can loan you the money. Right. And they won't ask for you to guarantee it. They won't ask for you to guarantee it. They'll say, sure, we'll loan it to you. Now imagine being able to do that. How nice would that be when you can build or get credit or get finance in the name of your business without you having to guarantee it? So with that in mind, I want to appreciate you guys for coming on. Facebook, make sure you hit the like and share button. Even if you're watching this as a replay, hit the like and hit that share button. If you have any questions, please, Facebook, just message me. And again, Instagram, just DM me. But I'm going to put information down for the website. You can go and check out my website, get more information there. And if you go to my website, make sure you sign up for my free 4 booklets. Right, they'll be emailed to you on how to build business credit, or it talks about building business credit. 4 steps, 4 guides to building business credit. Right, just we simplify it in those guides. So make sure you sign up for that. All you need is to do is, put your name and your email, and you'll be, you'll get those free books. You don't charge you nothing for that. So sign up for that. Go to my website, and my website, just for those who may not see it, watching this but not see it as a post, is thefaithfulcreditgroup.net. The Faithful Credit Group, one word, thefaithfulcreditgroup.net. All right, you guys go there. I'll have some information there. Look over business credit. And if you just want to talk to me, you can reach out to me. Definitely give me a call. Give me a ring at 862-220-2948. And we'll be glad to talk to you and get you in touch with the right people to help you build. Because I got a support team that's second to none. They're basically experts when it comes to building business credit, and they will help you step by step. If you just need finances for your business, right, and you've been turned down from the banks, then reach out to me, because we will put you in touch with the people in our finance department, and they will walk you through, qualify you, or see what you need to do to put you in a position where you can actually get finances from the companies that we deal with. So either way, whether you need finances or whether you need to build your credit or you need to do both, you need to get in touch with us. You need to be part of our program. So please come on and be a part of it. If building your business is that important to you and you really want to do it and you want to invest in capital to get that done, then we, the Faithful Credit Group, is here to help you do that. And with that, we say, you guys stay blessed. Always be in a position to in a place of blessingness where you can bless others. Because like we say, while you're blessed, what's more important is that you are a blessing. And with that, we say, have a blessed day.